Andu matwara murwaru wao thibitari makoragwo mehokete arigitani ni undu wa uhoni wao. No na makimehokaga gutiagaga murwaru wihagirwo ni murimu na agakua. Nitaguo kurahanikire thibitari-ini ya Kenyatta riria mwana umwe uria kurerikana arari na murimu wa kansa ya thakame arakuire, no andu a nyumba yake matinenda kuigwa guo. Kwaga kuiganira kwao na gikuo kia mwana wao kuratumura gicanjama na murigitani umwe aratharikirwo na aragurara uru.
Akihurwo muno nginya agikoma HDU ona riu akomete okuo.
The cases of insecurity for health workers within and without the health facilities is rampantly increasing, and it is a concern to us.
Giko giki ni gikumithitio na njira nene na muingi ukorio tige gutwira arigitani cira wona maheo muimirira ma arwaru ao.
We can't stay and give you the services that you want when you are harassing us, when you are assaulting us, when you are maiming us.
Muke mwina mukimenyaga ati mukite nigetha muteithike, mukite nigetha tumuhe urigiti uria wagiriire na mutigoke guku nigetha murehe haro.
Aria matanaiganira na muimirira kuri mitaratara mangihuthira ya gukinya mateta mao no gututhura ngahia gutigirehe kihonia o giothe.
We are not going to tolerate cases of health workers being assaulted. There are mechanisms for complaints
so that they present their grievances to the laden procedures, and we are always responsive to any grievances.
Giko kiu ni gicungiriirie arigitani a thibitari ya Kenyatta kuiga miro yao thi makienda kwirirwo ugitiri riria mari wira-ini wao. Hamwe na maundu maria maririirio ni arigitani gwitikirio makorwo mari a memba a ciama itiganite cia arigitani iria imateithagiriria gukinya mateta mao kuria mandiki magitanywo gukaheo mwerekera mukinyaniru muthenya wa kana kiumia giki.
They have assured of improving the security, and one most important thing is that they have assured Kenyatta National Hospital staff and nurses in particular and CEOs that they belong to a union of their choice.
Mwikuiro wa gutafania ngero ino ari moko-ini ma borithi na ni aratanywo gugakinywo igoti-ini. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, njitagwo Gathoni wa Jihia.